Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. New users to WordPress might wonder, what are the differences between posts and pages? Don't fret, we are here to help you understand the two content types. But not only that, we'll give you the use cases for either and how to create and manage them. We'll also talk a little bit about categories and tags and why they are important. Let's get started. I made some examples over here to help you visualize the difference between the two. Right now, what we're looking at is a blog post. And let's talk about the differences. Blog posts are organized by time and date. As you can see up here in the URL, we have the date, and down here in the data, we have the date. Let's open up our example page real quick and see that in the URL it doesn't have anything, and if you scroll down, it doesn't have anything either, unless we typed it. The purposes of posts are for dynamic content. That means things that are time sensitive. The information that I put here between posts and pages might not be relevant tomorrow. In fact, it could be passé if WordPress suddenly changes information tomorrow. While pages are more for static content, stuff that doesn't really change all too often, like addresses, telephone numbers, and email addresses. Comments are on by default on posts. If you scroll down here, we have a comment box, and they're disabled by default on pages. Posts show the author by default. Here it is, website assets, and if it was somebody else writing, their name would be here. And it doesn't show it by default on pages. Are posts archived? Yes. These are categories and tags, and if you click them, it shows us all the other articles that are under there, while pages don't have that. Before we continue, if you found this video helpful so far, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel, as it helps the YouTube algorithm show this video to other nerds like us. We really appreciate it. So, let's take a look at some use cases. Posts are best used for articles, blog posts, essays, tutorials, and interviews. Like I said, things that are time sensitive, things that might not be relevant tomorrow, but we might want to look back on them, which is why the date is important. While pages are best used for static items such as FAQs, about us, contact us, product information. So if we look at it right here, we can share this with other people, we can comment and look back on it, while pages are things that are static. So we have our address over here, our contact information, and our little spiel, things that don't change that often. So first, let's talk about how to manage and create pages. Let's go back here to our dashboard and scroll down here on the left sidebar to pages. Here we can see all of our published, drafts, scheduled, and deleted pages. We can administer our pages here. We can view them from here. We can copy the link to it or delete them. If we wanted to create a new page, click on Add New Page, which takes us to the block editor and gives us options for templates. So we can have a new page for blog posts, for contact, for about. Let's use gallery, and we'll choose this layout. And there, we have a new page, and we can edit all of this text, and we can add or change blocks. I can put the quote over here. And that's how it'll look like, and we can click on this image and replace it with something from our library, like the About Us one. And here we can set our featured image, visibility, the author. We can assign that if we had others. We can write an excerpt, which is here, which is part of the preview, excerpt, sorry. And discussion, we can turn on comments in the bottom, and so on. And if we wanted to publish it, we click on publish, and this will go live in a bit. And if we view the page, it takes us there. Let's take a look at how to manage and create posts. Here on the dashboard, let's go on posts here on the left sidebar. We can see the ones we've created, the ones that are still draft scheduled and deleted. We can copy the links and share them from here. And we can create a new post. That takes us to the post editor. On here, we can write the example title, and we can insert body text, and we can change the featured image. We can add images here from our library or upload them. Let's just use these again, and we can adjust it to our liking. There we go. And we can add the categories here and add tags and enable or disable our comments and publish it. Now, if we went to our site here, it appears right here. And if we click on articles, it appears under this category. If we click on examples, it also appears under the same category. Having categories and tags on our posts makes it really easy to navigate. So if I wanted to see only the articles, I just click on articles and they'd be here. While if I went back home and I only wanted to see the uncategorized ones, and these ones are the stock posts from the theme, I could see those. Now let's see how to create and manage categories and tags. Here on the dashboard under posts, we'll find categories. And we can add a new one. Example. And we can add a description if you wanted it. And there we have it, example category. If you wanted to create a new tag, like tag, all right, we can create it there. And if we wanted to add this tag to our posts, we'll simply go to our example post and scroll down here on the sidebar and add example category, and it should appear there. If we update it, it should save. And if we go back to our site and refresh it, there. The categories have been updated, and as of the moment, there's only 2 of them. And if we click on the tag, these are the posts that have tag on it. So, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please comment them down below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.